Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to design a modern gradient logo, using grid, so watch till the end. Hope you will learn a lot from this video. If you want more video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, so let's get started. First we will make our circular grid. To do that, take the ellipse tool, and draw it in any size. Then go to Object, Scale, and set the scale size 50%. And press Copy. Select the smaller circle, and place it to the right. Then hold Alt to make a copy, and drag it to the left. Do the same and drag it to the upper part. And then same to the down. Our grid is ready to use. We can make yin yang logo by this grid too. Let me show you how to do that. Take a copy of this grid. And delete this 2 circle from the grid. Now select all the line. Take the Shape Builder tool. And unite the shape just like me. Now select the upper part, and swap it from stroke to fill. Then select down part, go to stroke panel, and click align stroke to inside. We can also increase the stroke size a little bit. Our yin yang icon is almost done. Now take ellipse tool, and draw it here. And copy the same circle to here as well. That's great. Now delete it, and let's work on our main logo. Take the rectangular tool, and draw it from the middle part of the grid. Select all the line, and take Shape Builder tool. First minus the inside part by pressing Alt from the keyboard. And then unite the line just like me. Do it very carefully, so that no line can be overlapped. That's great, our shape is ready. Now let's color it with gradient. I have a great example, where I take gradients basically. Go to the browser and type uigradients.com. Then click, Show all gradients. Here you can get all the great, ready-made gradients. I will suggest you to go this website and explore more. If you like any gradients, just click it, then you will get the color code from here. On this video, we will use a custom gradient. You can get the color code from the description. Okay, here is this 2 color we are going to use on our video. Let me show you first how to make this color to gradient. After make the shape, go to the gradient panel. Click one part, and take this color with eyedropper. Do the same on the other part as well. That's great, our gradient is ready. Now let's apply it to the shape. Select all the line, go to edit and copy it. We are taking this copy for our shadow. Now from the Pathfinder tool, unite all the line into one shape. Take eyedropper tool, and pick the gradient color. Now go to edit again, and place it to the front. Okay, now select one line from here, and swap it from stroke to fill, and apply shadow gradient. Do the same with all the 4-stroke line, what we copied. Now select foreshadow shape, and then go to transparency panel, and set the opacity normal to multiply. Also set the opacity 80%. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know on the comment section, I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you very much, have a great day.